Hey friends, it's Erica, and this is the full practice of rain. So let's come into a comfortable seated position, and we're gonna kind of conjure up this so that we can practice it. So let your eyes close, or they certainly can stay open. Soften the muscles in your face. Notice your breath in and your breath out. And I'd like you to bring to mind a time when you were mad or embarrassed. Not the biggest time, right? But just a time when you really can remember being upset or mad, embarrassed. And then just allow it to be there. We're just practicing, right? So you can say to that mad, that embarrassed, that upset, whatever that is, like, you can be here right now. Remembering that if it's ever too much, you can back off from it. But if you can, stay with it. And then investigate. What does mad feel like, or sad, or upset, or agitated? What does that feel like in your body? You might notice some sort of sensations. You might notice thoughts that are coming up around it. Maybe you don't speak to yourself so kindly when you're allowing yourself to be with these feelings and sensations. And maybe you ask, mad, sad, upset, agitated, ashamed, what do you need right now? And sometimes something comes up. Maybe it needs space, it needs breath, it needs to cry, it needs to talk. And then this last piece, this nurturing. Don't skip this part. Maybe with a hand to your heart, or hands interlaced, like you're holding your own hands, or hands on your face. Just pause. This nurturing piece is a way of extending kindness to yourself as you have allowed yourself to be with this challenging emotion. You might say to yourself, you're doing great. I'm doing great. You might say to yourself, I'm here and breathing. You might say to yourself, I am loved. Whatever it is, just pause here and extend some nurturing to yourself. And take a full breath in and a long breath out. And let your eyes open if they were closed. So that was a quick practice of rain. That's the putting it all together. I do have longer practices on the channel as well. But remember, as you go through it, do it with compassion. It's courageous to allow yourself to be with these challenging emotions. And I encourage you to do so. Be well.